Hey guys, got another mystery 500-piece puzzle for you tonight. We probably are lowering my average. So let's get into it and see who's spinning that wheel. Mystery puzzle day. I've kind of been on a kick of these lately, but I don't know. They're fun, they're quick, they're easy, and it's really fun to make Casey spin that wheel because he's been guessing that my average time for 500-piece puzzles. Now, granted, the one day it was really close. It was within like 3 minutes, but he's been saying my average about 55 minutes. I've been way lower than that. Like last time, I think it was like 36-ish minutes, maybe, possibly. And yeah, he ended up having to spin that wheel. I kind of feel like he's probably going to go ahead and lower that average on me so that there's a chance I might have to spin our little friend over here. I'm going to break that. I better not. I was going to play with it a little, but yeah, I seem to break it and it falls to the ground. You've all seen it. It's funny. Then Bob the Builder over here has to come out and fix up after me. Because, that's amazing. I'm great at breaking things. Kind of weird I'm so good at putting a puzzle together. Or maybe I'm just used to fixing the things I've just broken. That's also possible. That could be where this comes from. Anyways, 500 pieces. What do they make? You're going to find out very shortly. And what should my average be?
I'm thinking somewhere between 40 and 45 minutes. Or 45 minutes. Does that seem like it's...
Sure, or you want to go with 43?
Like a weird number? Or do an actual average? Sure.
We could bring math into this, sure.
We can do 43 minutes.
43 minutes. We're getting very precise. Like, usually we've been down to the... I think we have this whole 5 minutes over and under thing stuck in our head,
yeah.
But like, we can get precise now because it's really all about that god-awful wheel. And the hot beans that I think are, hey, Casey, Casey, eat us.
No, too hot.
Yeah, I agree. It starts and does not stop. Anyways, you guys, I guess I better get into this and satisfy your curiosity. Boom! Go. So, 43 minutes. 43 minutes. For a moment I thought I didn't dump all the pieces out or something. I'm like, you guys, at like 15 minutes in, I don't know, like I feel I'm doing okay. I kind of tried to crank it up at the beginning there because, yeah, I just want to push myself tonight. I don't know why, but I don't know. Well, come on now. I don't want to push myself too much because you see, then I'm riding that fine line of you're going to crank my average way down and then I'm going to have to spin the wheel all the time, and that's just not good news. this game is played. Guys, I'm almost at half an hour, 28 minutes. That's not bad. You know what? I'm actually happy with that time because again, I kind of got to play the numbers here. I got to make sure I don't go too fast because I don't want Casey to give me an atrociously low average and then I'm spinning the wheel every time. Like, no. But I still also have to put my best foot forward. So, like, do I wish I was going a little bit faster? Kind of, yeah, a little bit. But I'm also happy with where I'm sitting at right now. Because once I get to the water, not just like these wavy things, I feel like it's just going to knock together. And that's going to be that. That's my hope anyways. This might be close. It's 10 minutes left, roughly.
It might be close. I don't think it's going to be
close enough.
Close in my favor, close in your favor.
Yeah. Probably. Unless something goes very wrong. It is close, I'll give you that, but not close enough. Bam! 39:21. Ha! Alright, you guys. 39 minutes and 21 seconds. Close. But not close enough for Casey because he has to spin the torture wheel. And you know what? I'm liking my odds of watching him eating hot beans again because that wheel seems to like to land on the hot beans. And honestly, that's perfectly well and good so long as I don't have to eat them. I'm good with that. It can land on whatever it wants. Not reverse. It can't do that. It's not allowed. Anyways, here is your horrible wheel spinner. Good luck.
Thank you.
Have fun.
No.
Get it. Have fun with your hot
We're gonna have to switch reverse. One of the reverses is gonna have to be hot, and one of the reverses is gonna have to be north.
Eventually, yes, but I think we forgot about that in our production of the wheel. We were so excited about making it. Hot ones! Hot ones! Hot ones!
Every
Yay!
time. Only two though.
Yeah.
So.
Hot beans.
Oh, I guess I just.
Hot beans. Hot beans. Hot beans. Hot beans. Ha ha.
Oh no. Oh no. 2 different red ones?
Oh.
I'll tell you one of each. Because I don't know what the other ones are.
Oh.
I think
One of those is going to be the hottest one.
the one is going to be the ghost. Oh my god. It's the 3rd day in a row. It's like, you want this to be cinnamon. It's not. It hits the minute you crack the bean open. And it's so hot. I think that's the California one. It hurts everywhere in my mouth. That's gotta be the.
Are you going to be alright?
Oh, I want to throw up. Water. Please. Oh my god. That was horrible.
Oh god.
Oh. Oh. Oh god. I can't swallow it.
Right? Like your whole throat, it's like, ah!
I can't swallow it. I'm just chewing it more and more. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Worst idea ever. You should never have added the hot ones in there. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Like Max. Oh, you can't talk. Like she said, you think you're embellishing it or making it, exaggerating it. If you don't like hot, it's real puree of a hot pepper, or of a ghost pepper. It's a real one of habanero. It's the real. Oh my god, that's hot. I am so done. Oh my god, that's hot.
I suppose now would be a good time to tell you. Remember, we changed the rule. I was only supposed to be one bean.
Oh no. Well, you let everyone know that now.
I wanted to see if you would remember.
Why would you make me? Why wouldn't you let me off the hook? Let them know because I don't think they heard it. Cruel.
Oh, that's hilarious. That was funny.
I don't think they heard it.
Oh, we don't have to tell them. That's all right.
No, it makes it even better for them.
It does. Yes. So now would be a great time to tell everybody that we changed the rule. Originally, these were supposed to be 2 hot ones. But after we realized how bad they were, we dropped it down. It was just going to be 1 bean. Casey clearly forgot that because he, of his own free will, just ate 2 of the hot beans. And is now like breathing fire everywhere. I'm not gonna lie, I died a little watching his reaction. Like, he was so calm and then all of a sudden, BAM! That's that. And you honestly, you can't talk when you eat them. Like, it's like there's this fire in your throat and it's like it's closing and like, ah! Death. It's like what death tastes like, if anyone's ever wondering. If you don't like hot, do not eat those beans and do not try it at home. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. In my own words, the feeling of eating those beans is, oh my god, it doesn't stop! You don't stop! Oh, it's horrible. But it's also hilarious. So, thank you all for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.